Hi, today on Catherine Learns Stuff, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make some window barricades to add to your Halloween decorations. So let's jump in. The supplies we need for this craft are pretty simple. We need a cardboard box, we need some paint, paintbrushes, and a box cutter. The hardest part of this craft is finding a box that's large enough to span the width of your window. You want to make sure that the box that you have has at least 4 inches of extra space on each side of the window. So if your window is 24 inches wide, you want to make sure that your box is at least 32 inches long. Once you have a box that fits your needs, all you need to do is cut it into strips. You want each strip to be about 8 to 12 inches in width. I like to add a little jagged edge at the end of each strip to make the barriers look more like broken wood. Once all of our boards are cut, it's time to start painting. The fun part about painting is that you can let your kids get involved and have them do the majority of the work. I like to use reds and dark colors for this to make it resemble blood, but any color will work. There's a whole lot of different phrases that we can use while we're painting. Here's some examples of some things that you could use. The next thing that we need to do is we need to attach our window barricades to the house. I like to use 3M command strips. I find that they work well, but if you are more partial to other things, duct tape works fantastically also. And there you have it. Your window barricades are complete. I hope these add an additional scary touch to your Halloween decorations. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my other Halloween videos that I've got listed here. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and happy crafting!